Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can log out of your Webtoon application using your Android or iOS devices. To log out of Webtoon is super easy. First of all, launch open the Webtoon application on your device and make sure that you're inside the main homepage logged into your account. From the homepage of Webtoon, go ahead and tap on My button at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside the My menu, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Now, click on Settings from the options. Under Settings, tap on your email address associated with your account at the top, and there you will be able to see a Logout button. Tap on Logout and you'll be logged out immediately from Webtoon account. So that is how you easily log out of Webtoon app if you want to switch accounts or secure your app on a shared device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.